Today's video is all about the things that can affect your semen or your sperm. That is what I am going to share in today's video. But apart from some physical things that we do which may affect our sperm system, like our lifestyle, that is drinking of alcohol, too much stress, and other things, all these things can affect our semen. Another thing that can affect semen is obesity. That is when you are developing too much fat, it can affect your immune system. And once your immune system is being affected, it can also affect your sperm system. So apart from all this, there are two major things that can affect your semen, which I want to share in today's video. But before I proceed on the two things that may affect your semen as a man, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So in case if you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what are the two things that can affect your semen as a man? Do you know that when your semen is affected, it can cause infertility? And apart from infertility, it can make you to experience erectile dysfunction, that is impotency. So these two things are what you need to avoid, and also bear them in mind so that you will be conscious to avoid them in order to live a healthy life and in order to perform well as a man. The two things are, number one is overheating. Yes, when you expose yourself to heat, it can affect your sperm cell and also affect your sperm. So endeavor to refrain from exposing yourself to heat or too much sunlight, like heat from laptop. For people that use laptop for a very long time, once you put your laptop on your lap for a long time, it can affect your semen. And once your semen is affected, you can no longer produce enough sperm, or if you produce, it is going to be watery. And being watery, it means that it is unable to cause pregnancy. So avoid overheat or avoid exposing yourself to heat in order to have a good immune system and a good sperm cell. Number two is lack of folate, that is folic acid. When a man is unable to consume food that contains folic acid, it can also affect your semen. So endeavor to eat beans, whole grains, and others to get folic acid. So that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value, consider to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. In fact, comment on this video, let me know what you think. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.